Hello dear traders, I'm Maria Stradup and this is the review of crypto analytics from fx.co. It's the 15th of November, today Wednesday, and in our today's review we will discuss three potential scenarios of Bitcoin price movements in the short term and a technical picture of a Ripple. And we will start with an article by Tom Petrenko and Bitcoin. So, over the past 3 weeks, Bitcoin has been in a state of continuous bullish rally, leading to the cryptocurrency reaching a new high at $38,000. The process was accompanied by an active accumulation cycle, which increased the number of addresses holding Bitcoin worth $1 million by 237%. At the same time, Tether printed over 4 billion USDT, also playing a significant role in cryptocurrency's bullish moment. However, after these 3 weeks of continuous growth, following the peak at 38,000, more signals are emerging that Bitcoin needs a corrective movement. Bullish impulses have become less aggressive. The price is facing strong buying pressures, and some categories of large investors started to take profits. Nevertheless, even in such a situation, Bitcoin still has room for movement, and Tom suggests three possible scenarios of its movement. So the first, consolidation. Essentially, this scenario is observed since the end of last week, when Bitcoin set a local high at 38,000, and the cryptocurrency's price is locked within a narrow range of fluctuations between $36,100 and $38,000. And within this range, there is local capital redistribution, as a significant number of investors are ready to take profits. It makes sense to consider the range 33,000, 36,000 as consolidation range, which acts as a magnet for Bitcoin price, as it represents the fundamental accumulation cycle of long-term investors. And the most likely scenario is a decrease within this range, moving from the level to level in a wide area of $36,100, $38,000. Second one, correction scenario. It can be the continuation of consolidation scenario, let's say. In such a case, when more global sell-off occurs during consolidation, in such a case, a full-fledged correction may begin, and a breakdown of 33,300, 600 levels, where 0.382 Fibonacci level is located. In a positive outcome of this situation, the 29,800, 30,100 area would mark the end of the corrective movement. Looking at the situation through Fibonacci levels, the key support level will be at 33,600, which is 0.382 Fibonacci. 32,300, 32,300, which is 0.5 Fibonacci level, and 30,100, which is 0.618 Fibonacci level. And the last one, third scenario, is the continuation of bullish rally. and it is still possible, in Artem's opinion, to maintain the upward direction. Bitcoin needs to recover above 37,000 level and continue the upward movement beyond 38,000. A consolidation above the current local high will give the market additional momentum, and buying volumes will once again surpass sales. In this case, the bullish rally will continue to 40,000 level, where it most likely to end, as significant order of volumes for selling are concentrated near this mark. And additionally, $40,000 is a psychological level that can trigger significant profit taking, serving as one of the key objectives within the global uptrend. So making a conclusion, Artem says that regardless of the realization of any of these scenarios, it's important to understand that markets operate in cycles, always. And Bitcoin is closely approaching the end of a bullish cycle, followed by a corrective, restorative movement. Therefore, regardless of investors' reaction to inflation data and other macro events, within the next 30 calendar days, the cryptocurrency will initiate a corrective movement with a minimum target around 33,300 and the potential target to reach 29,800. So it's just a question of time. Okay, let's have a look at the chart of Bitcoin for the moment. It's the 15th of November and Bitcoin opened today at the point 35,564, and now it is trading at 35,597. So we can see that it has lost about 1,000 points since yesterday. It's declining, and what can we say for sure? This is not the third bullish scenario. This is for sure. Probably it's a consolidation, probably it's correction. We will see it a little later, but so far Bitcoin has been declining. And now let's say a couple of words about Ripple's technical picture and another article by Alexandros Stefantis. So here on the chart we can see the blue lines, which are Fibonacci retracement levels, and the red line, which is major resistance trend line. And XRP was trading around $0.65 at the moment of writing, which was yesterday's evening. And the day before yesterday, it formed a new higher high, but it was short-lived. Price reached 0.7484 but failed to close on the positive side. On the contrary, it pulled back and closed on negative territory. The daily candlestick formed another long upper tail, suggesting weakness and initial inability by bulls to maintain their gains. The new high touched the 61.8% retracement resistance and got rejected. And it closed the day before yesterday around 0.6550. And each time XRP reached 0.74, 0.75 area, sellers dominate and push price lower. The new higher high in price was not followed by a higher high in the RSI indicator. It formed a bearish divergence and is turning lower from the overbought levels. Short-term support is seen at 0.6330, and a break below this level will be the signal for the start of the pullback. Okay, let's have a look at the chart of Ripple for the moment. And it opened today, the 15th of November, at 0.6279, and now it is trading at 0.6291. So it did broke the short-term support at 0.6330, so we can see the pullback in full swing. Alongside with flagship cryptocurrency, XRP is declining, is in a corrective mode for the moment. Well, this is all for today. We will see each other tomorrow in our next review. As usual, I wish you to have a nice day and have profitable trading. See you next time. Goodbye.